My stepfather lives with me and my mother. What is his right? Must I obey him regarding my wealth and life decisions?
Her what?
Stepfather, his stepfather.
Her stepfather, okay, you mean the husband of her mother. His husband of her mother, well, she is treated by him as she is Rabiba, okay, like a Rabiba. We call him what they call it, what, stepdaughter as well, yeah, he called her stepdaughter, correct?
It's a son, stepson.
He's a son, is he?
Yeah, it's a son.
No, stepson, sorry. Stepson, stepdaughter, stepfather, stepmother. So she's a son, he's talking about the husband of his mother.
Yes.
Yeah. And his obligation, there's no such obligation onto him by his stepdad, but there's an obligation by his mother. So if he wants to be good to his mother, he wants to be keen to please her. And if pleasing that person pleases your mother, then you should be pleasing him. Do you understand?
Yes.
If that pleases your mother, and if disobeying him will displease your mother, you are actually sinning against your mother. So your mother's the link. Now,
can we eat vegetarian?
and even if she dies, your mother, if you know that she loves him, you should be good to him as well. That would be showing righteousness. Fadal.